Oh no, that monkey got me wanting one of these coconuts. So I'm over here eating my food, right? Or I'm drinking my tea. I mean a little tea. Look at this. Hold on. Wow. That thing it look different. It look different. Let me see if I can get close to it. See if he gonna fly away. He probably gonna fly away, but let's see. Don't drop your phone. Wow, you are beautiful. I ain't never seen nothing like this. He chilling. I'm not gonna do nothing, buddy. It's a big bird over there. Yeah. Malaysia out here kicking. It's crazy. It's just rolled up on my seat. This is one of the largest butterfly aviaries in the world. It's just cool. You be chilling here. See, he about to get. You be chilling, drinking your tea. Homie just rolled up on us, trying to see what's on their plate. He gonna snatch something. Yeah, he gonna snatch something. That's crazy. Got the other big bird over there. The other big bird came over there. This one. This joint came over there. And then homie over here. He posing for the camera. Look at that. That's amazing. Wow. He said he gonna roll up on your plate. He don't care. Trying to eat some food. Look. All up in the restaurant. Wow. She said she's scared. She ain't doing that. Look at it. Look at some chicken.